In today's video, I will show you how to delete a page on Facebook. First of all, you need to log into Facebook and click on the icon on the top right. From there, you need to select which page you want to delete. If you have multiple pages, you should select only the specific page you want to delete. Now you can see that we have arrived at the page, and from there, we need to go into the settings option. After coming to the settings option, we need to scroll down, and from there, under your information, we have to find access and control. Inside the access and control option, we will see two options. One is deactivate page and the other is delete page. In this case, you can choose the one you need. If you want to deactivate the page, you will encounter several new options. In that case, you can select the option of your choice and proceed to deactivate the page. In my case, I need to delete my page, so let's take a look at how to delete it. Here, you can see that I am selecting the Delete Page option and clicking on the Confirm button. After that, it asks me to reconfirm through a password to ensure that I really want to delete it. In this case, I am providing confirmation through the password. Look, my page has been completely deleted.